This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The battery on these models is hidden behind the front passenger side seat. To access the battery, first move the front passenger seat as far forward as possible, and the right side second row seat as far rearward as possible. Pull up the floor mat, now exposing the battery access cover. If necessary, remove the lower seat trim covers as shown by carefully prying out the clips, then removing the covers. Remove the fastener for the battery access cover, then remove the cover. Disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal first. Also disconnect any connectors that may interfere with the removal of the battery as shown. Now disconnect the positive battery cable. Disconnect the battery vent tube. Remove the battery hold down clamp and fastener. Carefully remove the battery. Use rags or another gripping aid to safely lift out the battery and avoid injuries, as gripping space may be limited. Make sure the battery tray compartment is clean and free from debris. Place the new battery in its compartment, being careful not to pinch any wires or hoses. Install the battery hold down clamp and its fastener. Tighten it securely. Make sure the battery cables are clean, then connect the positive cable to the battery first, and tighten the fastener securely. Reconnect all the electrical connectors that were removed earlier. Then reconnect the battery vent tube by pushing it straight in. Connect the negative battery cable and tighten the fastener securely. Install the battery cover and tighten the fastener securely. Reinstall any lower seat trim that was removed to access the battery. Secure all the metal clips by pushing them into place. Replace the floor mat.